Fatima Hotel. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. I would like to make a reservation.
For how many persons?
1.
When are you going to arrive?
On Sunday, 9 a.m.
What type of room?
Junior Suite.
The available junior suite is located at the 8th floor. Would that be okay, sir?
Okay.
How many nights are you going to stay?
5.
May I know your name, sir?
Ronel Gisite.
Can you please spell it out?
Romeo, Oscar, Nancy, Echo, Lima. And my surname, Golf, Echo, Sierra, India, Tango, Echo.
What is your credit card, sir?
822-3272-0669.
How about the expiration date, sir?
January 2012.
May I repeat, sir? You reserved for junior suite room located at 8th floor. You will arrive on Sunday, September 27, 2009, 9 in the morning. You will be staying for 5 days. Your credit card number is 822-3273-0669. And the expiration date is on January 2012. And your name is Mr. Risite. Is that all, Mr. Risite?
Okay, that's all.
Thank you for calling Fatima Hotel. Have a good day, sir.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Fatima Hotel. Excuse me, where I can find the front desk? This way, sir. Can you please sign this registration form? Here. Your room number, sir, is 801, located on the 8th floor. Our bellhop will escort you to your room. Okay. Have a nice day, you, sir.
Here's our junior suite room.
Yes. This is our sala set where you can enjoy your leisure time. And this is our single bed where you can enjoy sleeping overnight. Have a good stay, sir. Okay. Okay, come in. Good morning, sir. Can I take your luggage? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Have a nice day, sir. Come again. Thank you.
You know I know how to make them stop and stare as I fall.